Question number 17. In question number 17, let me first write down what are the things given. It is given that a vehicle of mass 20 kg, so mass is given to be 20 kg, is moving with a velocity 4 meter per second. So velocity is given. So it is the initial velocity because it is now moving with 4 meter per second. So it is initial velocity. We are to find the magnitude of force that is to be applied on the vehicle so that the vehicle have a velocity of 1 meter per second after traveling. Okay, so we want the final velocity to be not to be zero now we want the final velocity to be 1 meter per second, and that is what we want after traveling a distance of 20 meters. So the displacement I want it to be 20 meter. So these are the things given and we are to find force. Now since force is equal to mass into acceleration, mass is given, acceleration is nowhere mentioned in this question. That's why what you are to do is, or what we are to do is, we are to find the acceleration. Now from whatever information is given, how can we find out the acceleration? We know that whenever some variables are given, looking at the variable we can find out which equation of motion we are to use. U, V, S and A given, that means we are to use third equation of motion. Okay, which equation of motion we are to use? We are to use third equation of motion. So using third equation of motion, we get, what is the third equation of motion? It's V square equal to U square plus twice AS. So what are the informations given? Let me write it down. So it's V square means it is 1 square equal to U square means 4 square plus 2 into acceleration we have to find, and displacement is given to be 20. So 1 square is 1 equal to, it is 16 plus 2 into A means 40 into A. And now if I take the 16 on the other side, it will be 1 minus 16 equal to 40A. So it is 15 equal to 40A. Therefore A is equal to 15 by 40 meter per second square. Now we are to find the force. Now we know the formula for the force is equal to mass into acceleration. So what's the mass given? As we all know, mass is given 20 kg. So it is 20 into acceleration is 15. My bad, it's minus 15. So it should be minus 15. So it's minus 15 by 40. And now if we multiply, you can easily see 40 and 20 will be gone and we'll be left with minus 15 by 2 Newton. And minus 15 by 2 is nothing but minus 7.5 Newton. Now again, in the options, minus 7.5 is not there. What does it mean? It clearly means that they're asking the magnitude of force. And as we all know, the magnitude of a force cannot be negative. So answer should be 7.5 Newton. So correct answer is option number 3. I hope you have understood.